Good morning, internet friends. It is a beautiful day today here. It is May 19th, a Saturday. And once again, I'm going to be talking about the MasterNode news like I do every single day. A bit of good news today in the market overall. So let's get right to it, shall we? Basically, Bitcoin went up a little bit. And naturally, when Bitcoin goes up a little bit, the entire market goes up a little bit. So Bitcoin's up another 1.63%. Very modest gains, very mild gains, but you can see that in the market, that is playing very well as far as bringing everything into the green a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, almost everything in the green in the market here. Very few things down today, and some things showing some rather big ups. Let's talk about some of these downs, though. There are a couple of downs probably worth mentioning. Yeah, just mild gains pretty much everywhere. Bitcoin's down a pinch. Ethereum Classic's down a pinch. Binance Coin showing some retraction after the crazy gains it had the last couple of days. No surprise there. Zilliqua is up almost 10%, whatever that is. Ontology is up almost 10%. Verge showing minor gains. Steam showing minor gains. Now keep in mind, again, Steemit just recently had the milestone of having its 1 millionth unique user. Now, 0x coin or Ox coin is up quite a bit. That's actually a utility token that's being used quite a bit already. So that's kind of interesting news. Yeah, 0x token up 12% today. That's good news. A lot of people using that network for transactions, and it's actually got a lot of use. I should do a special just on OX protocol at some point because it's getting quite a bit of use already. Digibyte up almost 10%, back to almost 4 cents. So that's kind of interesting today. Wakey Chain up almost 17%. Don't know what that is. Interesting, weird. Yeah, no real big drops, no real big buy opportunities in the regular market. But anyway, we don't care about the regular market, right? We're here to talk about MasterNodes. So let's talk about the MasterNode market. Again, similar story. Almost everything is in the green. Lots of ups today. Smart Coin up almost, or Smart Cash up almost 10%. Alquo up another 7%. Omega Coin up 12%, bringing the Omega Coin MasterNode back up to $5 after a couple of drops for a couple of days. Zuma Coin up 23%, $653 now for MasterNode. Just a couple of days ago, that was a lot cheaper, so that's interesting. Big drop today. Shekel dropped almost 12% today, putting a Shekel MasterNode down to $268, which is, and again, that's a coin that has a 200% ROI, so we'll talk about that one specifically in a minute. Pure down 6%, almost. Absolute almost 13% up. Desire Coin up 10%. Magnet Coin up 6%. VEVO up 30%. We have not looked at VEVO recently, so we'll go ahead and take a look at VEVO. GoByte just showing a tiny gain, 1%. Still very reasonably priced if you were thinking about getting into a GoByte MasterNode. rhY'z drops 22% today. Huge drop for rhY'z. Down to $8.98 for a MasterNode of rhY'z, so might as well go take a look at that, I guess. Crave up almost 20%. Huge gains for Crave. I know the team's been working on stuff over there at Crave, but they must have announced something because a MasterNode now is almost $1,200. That's one that's been hovering right around $1,000 for quite some time. Bitcoin Green up again. Bitcoin Green MasterNode now $20,000 almost with that 12% gain. That is a MasterNode coin with 179% ROI. Probably worth talking about Bitcoin Green, even though obviously today it doesn't seem like a buy opportunity for that one. Rapture down 10%, down to $94. And Dextro down almost 20%, down to $8. So, and Galactrum had a nice big pump of 15%. So, putting that MasterNode up to $2,100. So, let's go take a look at Galactrum and Dextro while we're at it. Social Send still languishing right around 9 cents. It just won't move. I don't know why. Social Send MasterNode right now $555. I think this time next year we're gonna look back at this and say, wow, if only I would have spent $555 on that Social Send MasterNode, where would I be now? Because I really do think that team is on fire. The big news in the MasterNodes today is growth seemed to have stagnated a little bit. Not too many new masternodes came online yesterday for whatever reason. However, the Dash dominance is down even lower. So once again, we are at maximum low for Dash dominance at 65% Dash dominance. And that curve has just been dropping precipitously for a while now. And that is what we like to see. We like to see that Dash dominance get lower and lower and lower. At some point, Dash dominance, I hope we'll get into the 10 or maybe even 20% range. And then at that point, we're going to have a really, really healthy masternode market. All these other masternodes are going to come up in price at that point. So looking forward to that. Okay, let's go look at a few specific coins. VEVO had an almost 30% gain today. That is a coin with 100% ROI. You need 1,000 VEVO, which costs $756, almost $757. And again, this is a coin that at one point was really hovering around the $4 mark. So, and now it's at the 75 cents mark. So if you can imagine, it gets back to the $4 mark, you're making almost $12 a day, almost $80 a week, and almost $320 a month, and almost $4,000 a year on a masternode that right now would only cost you $756. So if VEVO gets back up to where it needs to be heading when the market's recovering, that would be very good news. Now, they're only on Cryptopia according to this, so that makes me a little uncomfortable. I'm not seeing them on some other exchanges. They have been around for 272 days, and they do have a 2-minute blockchain block time. So not a bad coin to think about, probably worth potentially getting into. Although maybe not today because it's up 30%. So maybe look at VEVO tomorrow or the next day. Wait for that to retract a little bit. rhY'z down 15%, down to almost 10 cents a coin, putting a masternode at less than $1,000. You need 10,000 rhY'z for a masternode. That is a 292% ROI coin. A relatively new coin, only been out 100 days, 1-minute block time, we like that. But look at that ROI. Right now, it pays $8 a day. So, and remember, that's on a $1,000 purchase. It pays $8 a day, almost $60 a week, almost $240 a month, and almost $3,000 a year on a $1,000 investment. Now, keep in mind, this coin could go up as well with the rest of the market. Now, it isn't on any of the bigger exchanges, so that's a cause for concern. It is relatively new also. So, again, you're looking at fairly risky buy here. And but, I mean, look at that chart. That chart doesn't look too bad, does it? Yeah, I mean, it's kind of near the all-time low there. So, you know, I don't know. Might be worth looking at rhY'z today. Riskier one, though. Risky. How risky you want to be. Bitcoin Green masternode is almost $20,000, $19,554. It is on a bunch of exchanges. This is a more legitimate, more steady coin. It was definitely a lot lower about a month ago, looks like. Now it's up quite a bit, back up to $7.50 almost. This is a relatively new coin, 1-minute block time. But I mean, look at this coin's paying $100 a day right now. That's at current prices. $674 a week, $3,000 a month, and almost $35,000 a year for Bitcoin Green at current prices. Now, if it goes back up to where it was over here, you know, almost $6 a coin or something. Well, no, I guess it's almost $8 a coin right now. That's not too bad. So yeah, I don't know. Is this coin going to go up? I'm not sure, but already it pays back pretty well. But again, pretty hefty investment. That's almost $20,000 investment to get into that. So I don't know, probably out of the range for most of the people who are watching the show is my guess. Galactrum, $2,000 for masternode right now, almost $2,200 for masternode right now, up 15% today. So probably not a buy opportunity for today. But Galactrum is now paying $13 a day, $90 a week, $400 a month, and almost $5,000 a year. And it is a pretty legitimate coin that's on quite a few exchanges. It's been around for a while. This is not a beginner, brand new coin. It's been out for 158 days, 2-minute block time. So probably a little less risky. Again, that 216% ROI means you're getting paid for this one. Most likely to double your money within the year. And but again, maybe today is not the day to buy that one. Dextro up 56% today. That is a huge gain for this coin. Not sure what the team announced or whatever, but well, it's a new coin, so we don't know what's going on. But that's good news for this team. This coin hasn't even been out a whole month yet. Minute block time. MasterNode will set you back $8 right now. And with gains like 56%, I don't know, man. That $8 doesn't seem like that bad of a investment. Very risky. It's only on one exchange. It's a decentralized exchange. 34 cents a day. You're making 35 cents. About $2.50 a week. About $10 a month, and about $127 a year. But if you wanted to get into a MasterNode coin where the train hasn't left the station and it's almost no risk, $8 for a MasterNode seems like a pretty low price to get into for a Dextro. So I don't know, worth thinking about. Shekel coin down 13% today, putting the MasterNode at $268, which is definitely lower than it's been. It's been hovering around the $300 price for some time, and with that ROI of 200%, that is almost paying you $1.50 a day, $10 a week, almost $50 a month, and almost $550 a year. And that's at this very low price. Now, only on some of the decentralized exchanges, not seeing it on any of the bigger centralized exchanges, so a little bit of a concern. Also, there's quite a few in circulation. Over 100 million in circulation, and 40% of those are locked up in MasterNode. So quite a few coins on this one. Not as low as 1 minute blockchain, 112 days. I don't know. Worth thinking about. After a 13% drop, might be worth thinking about for Shekel coin. I don't know. Pure coin down another 5%. Pure coin is very interesting. It is a $4,000 MasterNode. That is not a huge, I mean, that's not completely out of the price range for some people. It does look like it's kind of languishing near the bottom of where it's been here. So still probably a good buy opportunity for Pure coin, especially since it's down another 5 cents. It has been around for 250 days, less than a minute blockchain, or block speed. It isn't on too many exchanges, which is concerning, but I mean, look at those gains. $63 a day, $442 a week, almost $2,000 a month, and almost $23,000 a year, and that's at current price. And I would definitely expect this coin to kind of recover a little bit with the rest of the market, maybe get up to 260 or something. Right now it's at 80 cents. So if it gets back up near the $3 mark, you can imagine, I mean, that's going to be a nice little payday. What's 80 times 3? 160 and $240 a day you'd be making on this if the price recovers a little bit. $240 a day. That's almost $1,600 a month, and almost man, like $9,000 a year or something like that. Oh wait, no, that'd be like at $3, that'd be almost $9,000 a month. And oh my goodness, we're talking about almost $80,000 a year if it gets back up to $3. And right now you can get this MasterNode for $4,000. So this is one of those opportunities where if you buy in here and it recovers back up to this level here in a couple of months, I mean, you would be making some serious cash on that investment of $4,000. So definitely an opportunity on Pure coin today. Worth thinking about Pure coin today. I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the MasterNode market. I've got a buddy coming over. I did get a little bit of feedback from my channel recently, so I'll just go ahead and read this for you here. It says, you don't seem to have any idea who your target audience is or how to appeal to them. Second, not at all convinced you're pushing this tech because you just really like it. Third, make a separate vlog about your personal stuff, or better yet, keep it secret because many people will use that against you. Accurate. Fourth, your knowledge of crypto seems superficial. Watching your videos is like an anchorman reading. You don't offer any unique insight. This is your most egregious sin. Fifth, all the and smacking makes listening to you at length very, very irritating. Sixth, your camera angle could be more flattering. Okay, first of all, let's go backwards here. Point 6, I'm not sure that there's a camera angle that's going to make me any better looking. Frankly, just not to put too fine a point on it, but yeah, I'm not sure that there's much I can do about that. Let's see, where was that? Secondly, All the smacking and ums, yeah, that's a problem. I do this live. I don't have anything scripted. I'm not trying to do anything better organized than that. I'm just doing a live feed once a day, every day, talking about MasterNode. So sorry if it's about the smacking stuff. I know it needs to get better. I do need a better camera, working on it. That is going to be something that I'm going to do. Knowledge of crypto seems superficial. I don't know about that. I've actually advised a lot of people on putting together masternodes and stuff like that. So that's definitely something I'm going to get into soon. And third, yeah, I'm going to leave my personal stuff out of that. Second, not at all convinced I'm pushing this tech because I like it. I'm not pushing this tech because I like it. I'm pushing it because I'm trying to make the world a better place for my children because I have kids. And I'm not sure who my target audience is. So why don't you let me know who my target audience is? That's it. I got a friend here. I got to go. I'll talk to you guys later. Keep on noding.